Lord. So hear what I'm saying, beloved. Tonight we are going to listen and we are going to give Mr. Anderson Chester our undivided attention because what he wants to do and his aim, he's going to talk about, yes, success factory. He's going to talk about money, right? Yes, he's going to do it. But more so, he's going to tell you about setting your life on fire. Okay? He's going to talk about setting your life on fire. Because let me tell you something. A lot of us today, in this world that we're living in today, we are perplexed by a lot of things. Sometimes you go home, can't find food, bills to pay, all kind of things bother in your head, bother in your mind. You can't think properly. You can't sleep at night. You know, this is why a lot of us can't even have a good relationship. The financial part of our life affects so much things. It affects our dream and our ability to say thanks with a grateful heart to God for another day, for another opportunity. You can breathe, you can speak, you can see, you can hear. But the only time we pay attention to these senses is when, God forbid, we lose one. Then we realize that, hey, I can't walk anymore. So you pay attention to that. You said, oh God, when I was walking, I should have given God more thanks. But listen, tonight, Mr. Anderson Chester is here to talk about our finance. And when that part of our life is fixed, trust me, everything else kind of moves smoothly along the line. You just need to structure your life after that. Is Mr. Anderson Chester online, sir?
Absolutely. Good evening, sir. How are you?
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Awesome, awesome.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much, man. You look sharp like a razor blade tonight, brother. You look
Oh
like
my
you just
goodness, oh my goodness. You make me blushing now, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much for introducing me, man. Thank you for that kind introduction. And of course, I want to say hats off to you for, initiating this call tonight and making sure that people get to hear the message and people get to
Yes,
understand what's going on. And Curtis, I love the way you started this meeting outside of the prayer, of course, first and foremost, put God first, which is critical. But I like the way you started this meeting because I just came out of dinner. I just had dinner with some people. And, today I was invited to go on a yacht, but I didn't go because I had some stuff to do at a certain time. So I couldn't go on the cruise. So I asked Andrea, I said, how was the trip? She said, man, it was the most beautiful trip she have had in a long, long time. I said, what was so special about the trip? Because they are always on the yacht. Every week they're on the yacht.
yeah,
He said, man, today we went out and we were supposed to visit several different beaches along the way. And this first beach they stopped, the children came out of the yacht and started to play on their own. And the adults came out and they just went on the beach and they lay on the beach and drank some champagne and stuff like that on the beach and did absolutely nothing for
yeah.
4 hours or 4 or 5 hours.
Wow.
And she said to me, she said, the beautiful thing about that is that, the opportunity to just do nothing and not wonder about money, not wonder about where the children is at, not wonder about that bill.
Yes,
It's the peace of mind that came with just doing absolutely nothing on a beautiful island, drinking a beautiful champagne and your
yes,
loved one, the ones you love the most is around you. And I said to myself at that moment when she said that to me, I said, how beautiful is that? Because, when we think about money, sometimes a lot of people think you need to be a multi-millionaire to be happy or stuff. It's not really that. I think when you are talking money, and tonight I want to talk a lot about money. That's why, I'm talking like this. It's so important for us to understand the impact that money can have on our lives from a positive perspective.
yes,
Some people, when they think about money, they think, yeah, you're greedy and you're rich and when you get money is the root of all evil and all these crazy things. But I really like the way you started because, Mr. Curtis, I'm excited about the fact that we really have an opportunity to genuinely help people
yes,
all around the world increase their financial independence. And that's a very big word. We celebrate independence every year in Trinidad and Tobago. We celebrate independence August 31st every single year. Independent from what? I mean, when we celebrate independence as a country, I always try to remind myself as to, am I financially independent? Let me see if I can be financially independent, where I can stand alone on my own 2 feet. I don't have to worry about the alarm clock. I don't have to worry about the mortgage. I don't have to worry about, you know, the education fee that I'm paying through my hair with, because, you know, I'm trying to educate 2 children, send them to university. I'm trying to send one to Oxford. I'm trying to send the next one to the UWI. I'm trying to send another one to Yale or Princeton or one of those beautiful schools. I don't want to have that worry. I don't want to have that concern. And tonight, that's exactly where I think I want to jump off tonight, because in reality, this company that we are going to talk to you about or introduce you to tonight is called the Success Factory. And we are big on the cash flow. Guys, I'm going to tell you this tonight. I'm going to run through this presentation quick. But I want you to understand, if you're talking money, and this is not for you, this is for me. I'm talking to myself, but I'm talking to you at the same time. If you are into creating wealth, I want you to understand that cash is king. Cash is king, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't have cash, ladies and gentlemen, you are in many cases trapped, okay? If you are into business, especially Curtis, I know you're into construction, the construction business, you've been there a long time. If you are doing the construction business and you do not have cash flow, you have a big, big problem. You can be doing a multi-million-dollar project for the government or so, but if you do not have cash flow, if a country doesn't have cash flow, if an organization doesn't have cash flow, you are in major problems. And as people, as individuals, a lot of times you do not have the cash flow. How many of you, before the end of the month, sometimes the cash is done, the money is done? How many of you know what it's like to, on the 21st of the month, the money is done? How many of you know what it's like to be a multi-millionaire in your business, but you do not have the cash flow? So I'm not speaking to poor people on this call tonight. I'm speaking to people, whether you're rich or whether you're poor. Cash flow is a serious thing, but guess what? What's more important, if you follow me tonight and if you leave this call, I want you to leave this call with one thing, and I want you to leave this call thinking, okay? When you get on this call tonight, I want you to think about Mr. Curtis, think about Anson Chester, think about the cash flow quadrant, think about what we're talking about, but do not forget the fact that Robert Kiyosaki says this, that 95% of the world, ladies and gentlemen, earn income on the left side of the quadrant, and 5% of the world, the rich of the world, earn their income on the right side of the quadrant. Why am I saying this? I'm sharing this with you because in reality, what we were taught, and this is why, you know, I'm really happy the way you jumped off and started this call tonight, because I know some more people may jump on the call as the call progresses, right? Most of us were conditioned to think about going to school, get good grades, and find a good job, most of us. So the challenge is, when we are in business or you're an entrepreneur, it's very hard to function in many cases, because the mentality of the people around you, the programming or the conditioning is go to school, get good grades, and find yourself a good job. Some people get caught into the job and say, you know what, I'm fed up working for the boss, I fire the job and I want to open my own business, and you become self-employed. Now that's beautiful, because now you run your own time. But the challenge with self-employed persons and employed person is the same. You have a cap on your income. Most of the time you trade time for money. You have a cap on your income. Now tonight, if you function as an employee, just type me a 555 in the chat box. If you are on this call and you are an employee, you're still employed, type me a 555 in the chat box. I'm talking to you because I want you to understand, it doesn't matter if you're earning 1,000 US or 1,000 euros an hour, you can only work for 24 hours a day, and you cannot do that every single day. So your income will always be capped to $24,000 a day if you can work like that, okay? And this is the challenge with people who are employed. I know several people who are employed as HR managers and consultants and legal, they're attorneys and medical doctors and so on, but their income is capped, so there's a ceiling on how much you can earn. The challenge with that is that, you know, when you are capped and you are faced with a ceiling, most people decide, you know what, I'm going to go back to school. I'm going to get that degree, or that second degree, or that third degree, or maybe I should go for my doctorate. But when you do that, ladies and gentlemen, the same situation arises. You always trade time for money. The rich of this world doesn't trade time for money, okay? They don't trade time for money, ladies and gentlemen. They earn passive income. And that's where Robert Kiyosaki says, you know, we should be. Either owning a big business where we have several people working for us, where we build a system that can function whether we are present or not, or have money working for you. And that's where it's at, ladies and gentlemen. So tonight, what we're going to do with this Success Factory discussion tonight, because I really consider this as a discussion, we want to share with you a business opportunity where you can stay from the comfort of your home right now, wherever you are in the world, you can stay and build a business. Okay, I'm going to share with you opportunities that can help you earn passive income. Okay, 5% of the world earn 95% of the money. This is very important. 5% of the world earn 95% of the money. How many of you are on the call that earn income passively? How many of you on this call have a big business, which is a business operating, whether you are there or not, and you can earn income? How many of you on this call have passive income investments where you have money working for you rather than you working for money? This is a very important, realistic reality check call. This is a reality check question, okay? And this is why tonight we are talking about this company and we are so passionate about it, because what I'm going to share with you tonight, we can build this, we can spread this message and get paid for doing it. But more so, ladies and gentlemen, we can change lives. We can change your life or help you change your life. And we can together change the lives of many people by showing them a simple business opportunity, which has been around for the last 3 years. I actually started 3 years ago with this company. And for those of you who don't know me, I've been in this industry for the last 16 years, but more so with this company for the last 3 years. It took me 7 months before I started working with this amazing company, because I didn't want to participate in anything that was here today and gone tomorrow. Of course, we are in the process of launching several Caribbean islands right now. So Jamaica being one, we are launching the Canadian market right now. My business is already over, maybe now over 25 countries around the world. But I'm really excited because of what potential lies with this business. Let me take the time right now to introduce you to this amazing company. It's called Success Factory. And my friends, I'm happy to say that the owners of this company are very, very credible human beings. Mr. Neil Grossman is the CEO of this company. And I think you need to mute your mic. Yeah, and I can just mute your mic, right? Thank you. Yeah, the CEO of this company is Mr. Niels Grossberg, and the Chief Visionary Officer is Mr. Chris Ress. Now, the beautiful thing is 3 years ago, Mr. Chris Ress came to Trinidad and Tobago, and when he came to Trinidad and Tobago, when I met him personally, that's when I decided, okay, I would take the opportunity to travel through Latin America with these gentlemen and see what this company really was about. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to say to you that this company functions with the highest level of integrity, honesty, transparency. We're not a perfect company, but I tell you, we have a AAA rating in the Business for Home. If you want to get some background, go to businessforhome.org. That's an independent site. We already did $1 billion in business over the last 3 years. And I must say, this company being out of Estonia, if you know anything about Estonia, you would know that Estonia is the Silicon Valley of Europe. We also have a global presence. We are in over 150 countries around the world. My responsibility in the company happens to be the Caribbean region. I'm now in St. Martin, of course, from Trinidad and Tobago, but I work throughout the entire Caribbean. But what we focus on, ladies and gentlemen, is cutting edge technology, okay? What we focus on is giving people business opportunities when it comes to cutting edge technology. So tonight, I want you to take copious notes as you listen, because I want to share with you some amazing things, some things that can help you put yourself into a passive income stream, okay? I want to talk to you about some things that you can tap into right now where you can benefit. We are a customer acquisition company, and I want to say this to you. We have corporate offices in Tallinn, Estonia, Dubai, Amsterdam, Mexico City, Hong Kong, and of course, we have an office in Trinidad and Tobago. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm really, really happy to say to you that if you're looking for a company to partner with, if you're looking for genuineness, if you are looking for something that's real, this is the business, this is the company to partner with. So what I want to do, or what I want to ask you to do now, is to take copious notes, okay? Pay close attention to what I'm going to share with you, because I'm going to share with you six industries that we are tapping into, $6 billion industries that we are tapping into, where you can get the opportunity also to spread your wealth. What we do, we focus on innovation to create wealth. Okay, so if you're on this call, Mr. Curtis would have invited you, or Lanetta invited you, Rhonda whoever invited you on this call tonight, I want you to understand that what we focus on is creating wealth through innovation. And innovation, you know what I mean, technology, okay? I'm really excited about this because the business model we use, the business model we use is a multi-billion-dollar industry. As a matter of fact, I think it's $1 trillion industry because it's called the word of mouth advertising business model. I believe the most powerful form of advertising in the world is word of mouth advertising, okay? Man, we've been doing that since we were children. You know, if someone comes to you now and asks you for a good restaurant, you'd recommend a good shoemaker, a hairdresser, where you can get a pedicure, manicure. I would say, hey, if you want a manicure or pedicure, go to Natasha and Arima. You know, I would say that naturally now because that's who I know is doing manicures and pedicures. If you want to get a good mechanic, if you want to eat a good piece of steak, if you want to get a nice sushi, if you want to eat a good doubles, whatever, where will you go? If you want to get a nice jerk, you go to, I can't remember the name of the place in Jamaica, so I can't call the name, Scotchies. You go to Scotchies, you know, if you want to get a nice piece of jerk somewhere. But the reality is, ladies and gentlemen, what we are doing in terms of this industry, we are giving people the opportunity to participate in this industry. Some people decide to participate, some people do not participate, okay? But this is a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's bigger than the movie, music, and the sport industry combined. This is the network marketing industry. This is where we participate. I'm going to come back to this because this is not the main focus tonight, but I'm sharing with you where we give people the opportunity to earn and to make income, make money or earn income to increase their financial portfolio. Now, if you're with me, just type me a 777 in the chat box, ladies and gentlemen. If you are with me, just type me a 777 in the chat box. So I want to make sure that you guys are with me on this call tonight. I want to make sure I don't speak too fast. I want to make sure that I cover all the grounds, because sometimes when we finish these calls, people call Mr. Curtis after and say, man, the call is finished too quick. Hey, the man talks so fast, or you guys wrap this up. You should have covered this, covered that. But tonight I want to make sure that you understand clearly the opportunity that's knocking on your door tonight, okay? Thank you so much for your feedback in the chat box, by the way. But I want to explain to you tonight how you can start your own online business. Now, this is real. You can decide to be a customer with Success Factory, or you can decide to be an affiliate, a business owner. But I'm going to just tell you what it takes so that you can make your own decision at the end of the day, okay? If you want to be a business owner with Success Factory, you pay 25 euros and you become an affiliate. When you become an affiliate with Success Factory, just like you can be an affiliate with Amazon or Alibaba or PayPal or Uber, or it doesn't matter. You can be an affiliate with so many businesses now and many companies now. What we give you is an online shop where you acquire the customer, and Success Factory takes care of the hosting, the billing, and the customer support. Now, before you decide to be an affiliate, obviously you want to know what products we have. So I'm going to talk to you about the billion-dollar industries that you can participate in, that you can make money in, okay? This is serious business, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to share with you a couple of things, a couple niches that's huge. I'm going to share with you a couple of niches that just makes sense, and a couple of niches that if you understand what's going on, you're going to dive in completely, submerge yourself into this opportunity if you understand the power of this opportunity in terms of the niches that we're going to talk about. But the truth is, let me talk about the products and services that we have. And the first one I love to speak about is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, and the particular DAG coin. Today I had a beautiful conversation with a young man who knows a lot about cryptocurrency. We were talking about crypto for a long time. He's out in Belgium, and he called me because he knows I'm into the crypto space, and we started to speak. And he couldn't help but give respect to where respect is due with regards to DAG coin. If you do not have cryptocurrency in your wallet tonight, I want to recommend that you start, understanding what's happening. There's a wealth transfer taking place from fiat into crypto. From fiat currency into cryptocurrency. Money is moving. We started with the bartering system years ago, trading goods and services, or I traded my sheep for your peppers, or whatever it might be. We started trading, and then money changed its form into different variations, into gold, into shekels, into checks, into plastic cards, into online banking. And now, ladies and gentlemen, people are moving into the crypto space, into the digital space, into the peer-to-peer transfer space. What am I talking about? Most people, if you heard about cryptocurrency, you would have heard about Bitcoins, and a lot of you are aware of what's happening with Bitcoins, but most people don't know there are over 2,000 altcoins on the market, okay? And we are talking about Dagcoin because I happen to know, and we happen to know the founders of the company, the owners of the company, and this company is completely focused on creating the first cryptocurrency in the world that's absolutely focused on using. Now, let me explain this to you. If you would have seen Bitcoins in 2009 at a value of 10 cents US, and you would have known that in 2021, tonight it would be 55,000 US, would you have bought at least 10? Would you would have at least taken 10 Bitcoins at 10 cents for one, which is $1 US? You would have spent $1 US, you would have invested, but today the value of $1 US is 550,000 US 11 years later. Okay, this is not me making up a story. This is not me. This is CNN, Fox, BBC, wherever you want to go. They can show you the trajectory or the past performance of cryptocurrencies. But back in 2009, when people were speaking about cryptocurrency, the world was shunning it. Most people thought it was something just to scam you or to take the money out of your pocket. What if I'm telling you that we cannot create a time machine tonight, but what we can do, we can create a business or show you a business opportunity which functions like a time machine, which gives you the opportunity to go back in time. Not proverbial, well, proverbial, I remember say it's not real, not go back in time for real, but in reality, opportunities tend to repeat itself and success leave clues. If success leave clues, I understand that this is a clue. Dagcoin, ladies and gentlemen, which doesn't focus on speculation, doesn't focus on volatility, built on the DAG chain technology with absolute scalability, is a coin that is built to use where you and I can go to the coffee shop, pay the taxi, pay the restaurateur, pay the person to do the manicures and the pedicures, and get business done, transactions done. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have done with the Dagcoin is amazing. We have operating license out of Estonia. So if you don't know much about this, the person who invited you is going to tell you more about cryptocurrency. We'll tell you how you can start investing in DAG coins. What we would have done in Success Factory, ladies and gentlemen, in the last 3 years, we would have built out a global community of over 600,000 members around the world who actually own DAG coins. So now DAG coins is all over the world, and there's a community who accept DAG coins as a form of payment, including the Caribbean. I'm here in St. Martin, and now I'm engaging merchants in St. Martin who wants to start accepting DAG coins as a form of payment. In Trinidad and Tobago, we have several merchants who are already accepting DAG coin as a form of payment. We believe by the end of the year in Trinidad, we promoted to get to at least 500 new merchants accepting DAG coins as a form of payment. This is the best kept secret in the crypto space. And of course, if you want to talk cryptocurrency, it's okay to talk about cryptocurrency, especially if you are on this call. But if you cannot use it, it doesn't make any sense. Well, we are into the technology space, financial services, entertainment, social services, shopping, and merchant services. All of these services, there's a myriad of things you can actually do with DAG coins tonight. Today, I called several people using my DAG Telecom on my phone. There's an app you can download, DAG Telecom, and use DAG coins to pay for the phone calls. Today I made several calls with DAG Telecom. You can go tonight, ladies and gentlemen, if you like to gamble and stuff online, you can do that too with DAG coins, with the Twice Dice platform. We have SMS payments, ladies and gentlemen. We have the DAG Pay payment processor. I'm going to share that with you in a while. We have the DAG Market. We have the the DAG. Man, there's so many things, man. Dagetali, you can put your music up if you're a musician on this call tonight, or you're a book or an author of a book. You can put your books up, you can put your music up, and we have our own version of iTunes. It's called Dagetali, where you can download the music and pay using DAG coins. We have DAG Market Jobs. If you're a business owner tonight, struggling to find people, struggling to find eyeballs, struggling to find people to do business with you, we can expose you to a whole new market of thousands of people who have DAG coins that may want to use their DAG coins at your establishment, but also use their local currency. Okay, this is fantastic. We have the Merchant Finder, where you can find merchants locally in your part of the world. So I'm not here to talk much about that, but I just want to share with you the amount of things you can do. You can actually buy a nice or purchase a beautiful gift card tonight for that special lady in your life. It's Mother's Day coming up on Sunday. What are you doing for your mother? What are you doing for your daughter? Maybe she's a mother. What are you doing for your spouse or your spice? You know, what are you doing, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know. But Mother's Day is Sunday, and I have to give my wife something. She's looking forward to it. Even if she doesn't say it, I know, hey, it's a special day. I could decide I want to give her a Dagcoin gift card. I don't know. But as we speak, ladies and gentlemen, the value of the Dagcoin is 74 cents euros. This presentation, I use it all the time, but you know, I was using it since it was 73 cents euros. So right now, if you're looking at my screen, you see 73 cents euros, but it jumped by 2 cents already. It's 75 cents euros. So if you're on this call, big congratulations to you in terms of your value increase. If you bought Dagcoins at 74, 73, 65, whatever, whenever you bought it, congratulations to you. But the truth is, you can start investing into Dagcoins tonight. Do not take my word for it. Go to dagcoin.org, connect with Mr. Curtis tonight, find out. He's going to send you the relevant videos and everything that you need to see. Because up till this day, no one knows who the owner of Bitcoin is, by the way. No one knows who's the owner of Bitcoin, man. But we go crazy buying them. The value is 55,000, but hey, we know who the owner of Dagcoin is. I'm not saying negatively, because by the way, I use Bitcoins on a regular. I can pull my wallet up and show you. I'm not knocking the crypto, but I'm just saying to you, ladies and gentlemen, you have an opportunity tonight where you can start purchasing Dagcoins from as low as 25 euros, 250 TT, 5,000 TT, 500 TT, 1,000 TT, 25,000 TT, 50,000 TT, which is 500 euros. It's totally up to you. What I say to people all the time is do not be left behind, okay? Ensure that you acquire some Dagcoins. I'm saying that because the truth, you know, is that this company is going to revolutionize even the payment systems. Those of you who understand Visa and MasterCard, if you understand the value, the amount of money that Visa, Master, MoneyGram, Western Union, PayPal, Skrill, all these payment systems, they make pennies, ladies and gentlemen, on the transaction, pennies on transaction fees. You, ladies and gentlemen, have an opportunity in our community to also earn pennies. I'm going to talk about that later down in the presentation, maybe. But the truth is, we have a DagPay. It's a payment processor, it's a crypto payment processor where people can do all their transactions. They can accept payments. They have accounting tools. We have point of sale checkout, email invoicing, transactions overview. We have e-commerce plugins where you can plug, you know, different links into your websites using Magento and WooCommerce. You can, man, I don't want to talk too much about this, but this is super fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. If you are struggling tonight, you are home, you don't know what's your next move in terms of COVID-19, this business, we can teach you how to become an online master in terms of mastering commerce online as well, in terms of plugging in yourself online, because online is where it's at, ladies and gentlemen. If you are still in the traditional brick and mortar, today Anika told me she was driving through Trinidad and Tobago, and she said, man, I saw so many new businesses, you know, sprung up during COVID-19 because a lot of businesses closed down, but new businesses like new restaurants and stuff, new you know, places to eat sprung up. But guess what? The country is locked down again, so they are now facing the axe as well. I'm saying that online business continues to surge up and up and up and grow even in the midst of the pandemic, ladies and gentlemen. So this is something you should look at. The product that we have is another billion-dollar industry, the artificial intelligence space. It's called The Bank. It's powered by the Code Breakers technology. This is going to give you the opportunity to increase your sales. If you are on this call and you are struggling to make sales, if you're a salesperson in Trinidad, Jamaica, Canada, wherever you are from, it doesn't matter. If you are struggling, maybe you need this artificial intelligence product. It's called The Bank, powered by Code Breakers technology. It will help you take it to the bank faster. It's going to help you get your money to the bank faster. Trust me, we're going to take your prospects to the bank quick. We're going to help you to make money fast, ladies and gentlemen, by showing you how you can use artificial intelligence. You know, I was seeing the big battle at Facebook now and Apple, because Apple is now limiting the ability for Facebook to track your business, you know, to track you. You know, when you look at something, you speak about something, you next day you see the video, you know, they're tracking your movements, you know, that's how it works. But Apple now put this program in where you have to, you know, actually authorize Facebook to do that. And Facebook now is having problems. You know, we cannot do the analytics the way we want to do the analytics anymore, because, you know, you are stifling us. They just want to run the business by being in your business. There's no privacy. So Apple is saying, hey, we're going to limit the amount of, traction, that you get because the intrusion is real. Now I'm saying to you, ladies and gentlemen, we, by using artificial intelligence as well, can help you understand your customer better. Okay, this is just for you if you are into sales. This is just for you if you are like me, want to understand your spouse better. Because trust me, when I use this technology and I understood the personality type of my wife, it increased, or at least it improved my relationship because she understood my personality type better. So if you're a manager, a coach, you're the personal sales, you're a motivational trainer, whatever you are, ladies and gentlemen, I think this product can actually work for you, but especially if you want to increase your income, if you want to visit the bank more often, ladies and gentlemen, this is a great product for you. It comes in at a low price, but I don't talk about this because I tell people go for the juggler one time, go for 99 euros, because at 99 euros a pop, you get over 50 hours of training, which is a value of over 10,000 euros a month, ladies and gentlemen. I'm excited about this. This is the bank board. You can get it for 99 euros a month, okay? But if you want to get these things, be my guest, but I want to introduce you, ladies and gentlemen, to another industry which is popping. I'm excited because this is a over $6 trillion industry. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you're hearing so far, just type me in 888 in the chat box. Just let me know you're with me, because I know we bring the information, but all we do is try to show you what we do with the Success Factory. We operate like a platform. Now, this is very important, guys. I don't want to lose you tonight. What we do, we operate like a platform. We have over 600,000 members in our community, and Success Factory is the platform, and we bring companies in the best in its class and give our members in the community the opportunity to participate, to partner with the companies, and they can decide which one you want to partner with. If you want to partner with 1, 2, or 3, but you can decide what you want to do. For instance, me, I'm into cryptocurrency. So I definitely bought DAG coins because this is a medium to long-term investment. So I bought the DAG coins. I bought it at 2 cents. It's already 75 cents, over 3,500% growth in the last 3 years. Beautiful. That's good. I have 3 children. I know my children, they're going to be using cryptocurrency the next 5 to 10 years. My youngest is 3 years old. When he's 13, it's cryptocurrency, baby. I know that. I remember when I was in Macau, China in 2016, I saw a guy walking with something in his like a glasses, and he told me it's his phone he was looking at because he was, doing so much things in his glasses. He said this was a phone, futuristic technology. I remember flying in from Texas with a guy from Dell Computing, and he said to me, man, we don't, in the head office, we don't type on the keyboards, we type on holograms now. So what I'm saying is that the technology is moving so fast, I understand where to invest. And top of that, the largest financial market in the world is the Forex market. If you want to benefit from the Forex market, from some insider trading ideas, I want to encourage you to take a serious look at this, because what you're going to get from us is advice, trading ideas from an expert team of top technical analysts with over 20 years of experience out of Estonia. I had the privilege in Dubai in 2020 to meet the top technical analysts in Dubai. I met them, okay? What we also use is advanced robots, not 4 anymore. We use maybe 8 robots now, advanced robots analyzing over 28 currency pairs. We also provide you education and training. Some people say to me, Chester, yeah, is this real? I say it's absolutely real. It comes in at 49 euros a month. But more than that, I want to give you the opportunity to see how this works in the back end, because a lot of people ask me the question, how does the Forex Insiders work? Can you show me how the Forex Insiders work? Well, tonight I want to share with you something, because, it's easy to talk. It's easy to talk the game. It's easy to talk, but there's a different thing to act, okay? This is the big thing. What we do in this company, we don't just talk, and I don't like to talk. I really don't like to talk. I like to act and show people how this actually works. Let me share with you how it looks in the back end, because if you understand what I'm sharing with you, you might just decide to get started tonight from wherever you are, because this is how it looks when you acquire the Forex Insiders package. And this is going to take like 2 minutes, by the way. Right now we have no active ideas, but this is how it works. This is our performance history, okay? These are the trades that we sent out in the past, which is from today, yesterday, and stuff like that. The last trade we did plus 15 pips, okay? Look at this. It was a fantastic trade. Okay, look at this. Great trade as well. Well, successful trade. Let me not say great trade, but successful trade. Plus 6.8 pips. Okay, look at this one. Pips again. This one. 15 pips. If you're into to Forex and stuff like that, you'd understand the language. This is just money that you earn. 12.8 pips, okay? 13.5 pips. Some people say, why is it 1,000 pips? Don't worry. We're interested in making money in terms of the pips, 40 pips. This trade didn't go too well, so you would have lost like at least 15 pips on this trade. Another good trade, 45 pips, earning 67 pips, okay? Every trade that we do is recorded, okay? We function completely on transparency, but guess what we do? We send you the trading idea. We give you an entry price, we give you a stop loss, we give you 5 take profit options, okay? You get the opportunity in terms of, you see a euro, Canadian dollar, it's a buy idea. Look at this one, it's the same thing. We send you, this was a sell idea. And of course, you see more details as to, you know, why we recommend this trade. So if you're into this, you can read this, you can understand why the analysts send this trade to us. Okay, you do not have to wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning to trade. Okay, so if you want to learn to trade like the big boys, this is not the place for you. If you are the normal guy like me, who don't like the idea of waking up in the morning to trade and stuff like that, you know, and you just rely on ideas, well, you can be a plumber, a carpenter, a busy taxi driver, or a busy homemaker, you know, and still trade like a pro, okay? What we do, we give you education in the back end, tons of information in the back end, so that you can learn, you can download, you can look at videos. There's tons of information in the back here with regards to Forex, and for you to understand Forex. Just last night, Mr. Carlos Cadiz did a Forex training call. Every Wednesday night we do this. Okay, so this is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. We also have our reports, guys, and you know, I don't mean to spend too much time on this, but Mr. Curtis told me to make sure and speak about this a little bit tonight, because, you know, I'm catering to his audience. You know, look at our reports, ladies and gentlemen, for the last month of April, plus 25.8%. Okay, March month, 42%, February, 22%, January, 10.8%, December, negative and 8.2%, negative, okay, 8.4%. Now, I want to share this with you guys because I need you to understand the reality of what we do, okay? We have no hidden agendas. It's good or it's bad. We share it with you because that's what we do when it comes to our integrity and transparency in this amazing company. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you see, just type me a 555 in the chat box, and all of that you just pay 49 euros for. My goodness, ladies and gentlemen, head of the class. Forex insiders go to the head of the class. Yeah, I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, you know, so it's not overnight magic. I'm not selling you on a product that you can get rich overnight, but if you are serious in terms of building a real financial portfolio, you can get this done. And for some people who say, I cannot afford this, I want the bank, it's 99 euros a month. I want the Forex, it's 49 euros a month. I cannot afford it. The company said, no problem. If you cannot afford it, we're going to help you get these products. Okay, we're going to help you. We're going to help you. We're going to help you. We're going to help you get these products for free. If you find 4 customers who would like to purchase the Forex, the 5th product is yours. Okay, your subscription becomes absolutely free. Okay, so I want to pause here for a minute because what I want to do is give you the opportunity. One more time, I'm going to jump back into the website. I want to share with you one more opportunity, which is absolutely amazing. Mr. Curtis, bear with me for 5 more minutes. I will just take like 5 more minutes and share something, because this, I cannot leave here without speaking about the view, bro. I cannot, you know. When it comes to investing, you want to invest in things that builds passive income. And, you know, with the Forex Insiders, you can say, okay, I can grow my profit because I can get into the profit flow. With the DAG coin, the value increase, I can, you know, do well with that because, you know, I put my money, I put 10,000 in, maybe this 10,000 can grow in 3 years to 100,000 because it's happening all over the world. It's not something new. Maybe I can invest, you could invest 10,000, it can become 200,000. Maybe I can invest 50 grand and become 500 grand. Maybe I can invest 1,000 and become 10,000. It's happening all the time. So you might say to me, hey, Chester, wow, this is amazing. But I would say to you, it's really amazing. But ladies and gentlemen, if you are listening to me on this call and you really want to put yourself in the trend, ahead of the trend, you know, if you want to be ahead of the trend, it's very important to understand that the virtual reality is the next big thing. You know, when people are home, when children are home, studying from home, they are doing all their work online now. I want you to pay close attention to where the world is heading, okay? The world is heading to a place where virtual reality is the order of the day. I'm excited because this company just released a project which is called The View, and they're giving people the opportunity to create a world that functions in reality. We are going to create that world in the virtual space. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to share with you this opportunity, because if I am here sitting and talking to you, and I'm saying to you that we can give you an opportunity to make money in the virtual reality space, how would that make you feel? It's called V-commerce. People are accustomed with e-commerce, and that's e-commerce. People say M-commerce, which is mobile commerce. But ladies and gentlemen, we are into the V-commerce space. Ladies and gentlemen, we are giving people the opportunity to earn income from every country in the world, because we are building, ladies and gentlemen, we are building. Man, I'm excited. We are building, ladies and gentlemen, what you see in the physical, we are building it, ladies and gentlemen, in the virtual space. What is The View, ladies and gentlemen? Look at this. This is critical. The View is a new groundbreaking virtual reality platform that brings together most innovative technology with the most extensive catalog of experiences and contents. Okay, this is important. You will have a window into a reality without limits. This is very important. Imagine traveling the world without leaving the comfort of your home. And if you have the experience, probably you already have had the experience to use your Oculus glasses and so on to go into a different world. Trust me, when you use the Oculus glasses, it's different. It's an experience like, man, it's inexplainable. Imagine going to Rome, walking in the Vatican City, or walking into the pyramids, or going to the romantic place of the Eiffel Tower with your loved one, or visiting the African safari. Whatever we do, ladies and gentlemen, in The View, going to Argentina, Buenos Aires, you want to go down to Brazil, to Rio de Janeiro, or if you just want to go to Australia and visit all the wild animals out there in the wild, I'm saying to you, what we are building, ladies and gentlemen, is a virtual world. And today I had the opportunity with my Oculus. Man, this is the first time I ever had this one. And if you have the privilege to wear this is a completely immersive experience. This is connected directly, even right now, to my Facebook account. I can chat with anybody in the world in here. I'm in a nice place. I think I'm in a nice place right now. And today I went into the virtual world and I chose an apartment. It's exotic. And I couldn't believe when I took my Oculus off and I looked at my room, I said, this is where I'm staying, because I couldn't believe where I was. I chose another place. It was in the desert, and I saw my hammock there, and I saw the mountains, and the winds blowing, and the surround sound. I was completely in another world. I didn't care about phone ringing. I didn't care about anything. And I said to myself, this is V-commerce on the highest level. Could you imagine? I had to create an avatar today with my skin tone, the glasses. I had to create my hair. You know how we create avatars now. So you actually go into this world and buy clothes at your favorite stores, your Michael Kors, your Chanel, your Eclipse Eli, your Heather. What's her name? The lady in Trinidad and Tobago. I can't remember her name. Curtis, that's your lady, Heather. I can't remember her name. Heather Jones.
Heather Jones.
Yeah, Heather Jones. You can go straight to Heather Jones and order your clothes in the virtual world. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this company is saying we are giving you the opportunity to invest in Dubai, in Spain, in Estonia, in the Netherlands, in Trinidad and Tobago, Croatia, Austria, Morocco, Ghana, Uganda. Come on, this is super fantastic in terms of what we are actually doing, giving people a real experience, because most people cannot afford to travel, especially travel with your whole family. Trust me, if you can travel with your son, daughter, husband and wife, traveling, ladies and gentlemen, in a virtual world, and being able to experience the Amazon that you may have never had the opportunity to experience, but all you pay is €5 for that, or $5 US, or $10 US, instead of paying a whole. Man, listen, when you get into this, ladies and gentlemen, I pay a decent sum for this, okay? But when you get into this world, whatever you have to pay in Trinidad, maybe $2,000-3,000 for it. I don't know how much it's going to be in Trinidad, okay? But the truth is, when you get into this world, you will be shocked as to how long you want to stay in there. Okay, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And we are getting the opportunity through Success Factory to invest in these memberships. Look at this. Look at this. 125 euros. Do you? Let me tell you something. One of these days in Dubai alone, we're going to do $1 billion in Dubai only per annum. Okay. In Rome, in the Colosseum, in Italy alone, we're going to do hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars in the next 5 years. Okay. When you talk about tourists visiting Spain and visiting all these places around the world, the company is saying that we are giving people now an opportunity to invest 125 euros, 250 euros, 500 euros, and get opportunities to, get global pool access or regional pool access. Look at these countries: Netherlands, United Arab Emirates, Australia, Sweden, Moscow, Saudi Arabia, Germany, Japan, United Kingdom. I am so excited about Japan in 3D, in the highest level, to go to Japan to see certain things. United Kingdom, if you've never been to the United Kingdom before, or Moscow, to see how Moscow is it looks like another version of India. I was amazed when I visited that place. The reality is, when you get to see the world from the comfort of your home, but more so the V-commerce reality is real. Most people never benefit from the Oculus because the Oculus is tied to Facebook. Most people have nothing to do with this. But what if we can show you that the virtual reality industry is compounding by 17% per annum for the next 5 years, and you can position yourself to benefit from this. This is passive income, ladies and gentlemen. So I think I'm talking too much tonight. I don't want to go any further. I'm just giving people the info because, when we do the call, sometimes Curtis called me and said, man, you came up too quick, man. The people are saying things, The people say you are getting in. Look at these countries. Look at these countries: Estonia, Italy, Romania, South Korea, Spain, Greece, New Zealand, 500 euros. Look at these countries, 250 euros. You can invest in Trinidad and Tobago, by the way. And all the revenue, the Bird Sanctuary, the Marshall Montano concert, the show in Manchester, the Second Star concert, the Maracas Bay, the Blanchy Shares, the Tobago, the Pigeon Point, the Torbay, whatever happens, the curry crab, can't see that in the view. But whatever business is done, ladies and gentlemen, in Trinidad and Tobago, in the view, you can benefit. A lot of people are going to be moving their business. Well, they will have the same stores, but from the traditional into the virtual reality. I kid you not. One of these days, we are going down the boat in the Carney Bird Sanctuary to see the hibiscus fly away virtually. One of these days, what's going to happen with the schools is that the principal is going to have maybe 20 of these Oculus or 30 of these Oculus, and the classes are going to schedule when they are going to tours with the classes. Or maybe they wouldn't even be in school. It's just a basic requirement. And they say, okay, now we are going to, where are we going to this class? Well, today we go to the Machu Picchu in Peru, and we go to see the Machu Picchu in Peru with the entire class. And then you write a comprehension on it, or a composition, or whatever you write on it. This is where the world is heading, ladies and gentlemen. And even for 125 euros, look at the countries you can invest in: Jordan, Colombia, Ukraine, Iran, Ghana, Congo, Uganda, Yemen. I'm excited. So, ladies and gentlemen, tonight I would have shared a lot with you. I don't normally share so much on the call, but the reality is we have 6 industries, all booming industries where you can benefit, where you can win, and you can decide, hey, let me build a different kind of future for my children. Let me start I already have money in gold. I have some money in real estate. I have some money into stocks and bonds. I have some money into mutual funds. I'm just saying, I own this, I own that, but maybe I'm not diversified enough in the technology space. What we will have shown you tonight is opportunities with a real company that stands for honesty, integrity, transparency. And I'm really excited to say that for the last 3 years, everything that this company said they were going to do, they actually delivered. So we are expanding the market, and I'm looking forward to working with all of you guys once the needs becomes necessary. But more so, I want to pass the ball back to you, Mr. Curtis, because you definitely are onto something with this. And I hope, when the call is over, the people don't think that we just rushed off the call, So back to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Henderson. Wow. You took me down a journey there. I didn't want you to stop either, because I tell you, when you started talking, man, and you took me down that journey, showing me how the virtual world will be like, and how you can earn passive income from it. I didn't want you to stop. And I know a lot of people share the same view like me right now on the call. But you know, every good thing sometimes has to come to an end. But listen, me, it's a pleasure to have you here, Mr. Anderson. You know, to share your wealth, your knowledge, and everything with us. You know, thank you again, and thank you guys for coming out again. You know, God bless you guys, and I hope you have a tremendous week. And one thing I have to say before you leave: invest, invest, invest. Invest into technology, invest into Success Factory, because you won't lose. You will not lose. Read my lips if you can't hear me. You will not lose out. Okay? We will gain, 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 gain. This will improve our life tremendously. You know, so let us come up, one and all who is on the call, you tell someone, just share the message. If you can't remember everything, don't even try to remember everything. Just invite them to call one of us, any one of us, just call one of us. Call us up. You know somebody who knows somebody who know Mr. Curtis, who know Mr. Anderson, who know Rhonda, who know Michael, who know Jose, who know Anthony, who knows somebody on this call. Make the link and let's create wealth in our generation. And let's create passive income that's continued to our generation. Thank you again tremendously, Mr. Anderson. You have done such a remarkable job every time you come on board. And we are really, 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 really appreciate you. Yeah. Thank you very much.